Twin, we in the building. On the way to get on the plane. No cap. I know I started the vlog late. Bro, we had some complications. I literally almost missed the flight. Just so y'all don't think I'm capping, I literally just pulled up and they boarded.
I'ma speed it up. Energy vampire sucker be slut. Why did she ask my thumb in her butt? Thinking she red, you out of luck. Blown on gas, what cloud you on? Yeah, you know it's tribe, cause it's on 9. Add the 6, now that's the vine. Blowing up, step on the mind.
Okay, so we literally just got off the other plane. We in Istanbul right now. We're currently waiting on the other flight leaving Istanbul to go to Thailand, gang. I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when it's time to tap back in. Twin, we trapped in the motherfucker with no Wi-Fi. That's what we're gonna do right now. But twin, let me go find this Wi-Fi kiosk, whatever he said that I need to go find. I'm gonna tap in with y'all. For the people that did not know, this is the Wi-Fi meter. You gotta find it. That Wi-Fi meter gonna mean everything when you travel internationally. No cap, it's like gonna stay in touch with your people. Twin, I'm about to hop on this next flight. We ought to be in here, I don't even know how long. The time all fucked up, bro. I think I've been here about 6, 7, 8, 9 hours. I don't even know, bro. But my flight finally finna leave off. I'ma tap in with y'all, gang, once I'm on the flight. And once we touch down to Thailand, gang, y'all already know it's about to be a movie. Twin, never did I ever just see a taco flavored Dorito. Crazy word. I can't lie. Y'all yet again see me hopping on another long ass plane ride, bro. But this the last one. Once we touch down, that's when the motion really gonna start. That's when we really can get busy. I'ma tap in with y'all boys once I get off the plane. We finna go in here. This a whole nother 10-hour drive or fly, whatever you wanna call it, no cap. I'ma tap in with y'all boys.
Ding 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 ding.
Has finally ended, twin. So go and call up the guys, tell them to scoop, see what I need to do. Then let the movie begin, gang. Y'all already know. It's all this, a whole new movie, gang. Whole new movie scene, whole new everything. Let's go. If y'all didn't know, all these is different countries that's flying in from all over the world to compete in the Muay Thai competition. Lit. Excuse me. Definitely just got off the train, man. Now I gotta go pick my bags up, dog. That's the first thing you gonna do when you get here. Hop on the train and go get your shit. We lit, twin. We lit. Okay, so twin, right now what I'm doing, I'm looking for my bags. I don't know what my bags said. Oh, there it goes. It says from 5 to 7. So we finna pick the bags up, gang. As soon as we pick the bags up, we finna go over there, exchange some bread, have some of that Thai, which they call them bar, have some of them bars in our pocket, you feel me? I'ma tap in with y'all, gang, as soon as I'm done. No cap. I ain't never seen a billboard that big, bro. Yes, sir. I just got dropped off by the lift, and I'm definitely just pulled up to the goddamn mansion, man. Y'all already know what's going on. I'm finna lock in with my boy CEO. As soon as his dookie ball head ass come outside, y'all already know what the fuck going on. Content finna be something crazy. And we got a pool in it, bitch. And you talking about, y'all know we finna abuse this. No cap. That's just getting abused. But I'm gonna tap in with y'all boys as soon as he come outside. No cap. Hurry up, ugly man.
What's the word?
Hey, tell the vlog, yes. sir. They already know what the fuck going on. Oh, appreciate you. Yep. Appreciate you. Have a good one.
A little tip, no?
Huh?
A little tip.
Nah, twin. I literally just took a shower. We just locked in. I ain't gonna cap. The first thing that we did was box. Wow. I ain't gonna lie. That was the first thing that we did. I just had to see what my nigga heart was at. You feel me? But what we finna do right now, I gotta go and ride these scooters, ride these little bikes, twin. I ain't gonna lie, his little ugly ass really got me fucking up and shit. I'm taking pictures, trying to record. But I ain't gonna cap. Our neighbors though, this shit fire. Our neighbors, they grow bananas.
I got you, nigga. Look, chill, bro. You better lock the fuck in. All right, say that then. All right, nigga, hold the brake, bitch. Yeah, press this button.
Start this.
Yeah, let me not put this up first. Put a little foot shit. Foot shit. Foot. Somebody calling you? Bro, twin, I'ma send you, bro. I can send you this, nigga. You, bro. Come on, now put this up. The other way, nigga. Like a bike, yeah, kickstand, nigga. All right, now hold the brake. Press that bit. Now press this bit. That's not the brake, you know that, right? That's the brake. You never rode a bike, nigga.
This
Nigga, you never rode a regular bike, nigga. The brake, bitch.
Oh.
This is fucking retarded. This nigga pressing the he throttling the gas, talking about this the brake. That's how that nigga fucking speed crash. This nigga retarded, bro. This why I be telling niggas, yo, you lucky
I'm not no speed ass nigga though.
No, I'm already look.
Watch how crispy.
No, yeah, you lucky I got a nigga like me showing you what to do.
Come
Let's
on,
do it. So look, all right, so squeeze the brake, nigga. This one, squeeze the brake. Type shit. See what nigga on. See what nigga on. Hold on. Hey, don't crash my shit, nigga. Okay, you need to. Hey, chill. You in dirt, twin. You in dirt. Remember. Now he saying he know how to ride this bitch. This nigga fucking stupid. Bitch rode this bitch for 5 minutes. Not even that. 2 minutes to say he know how to ride this bitch. But now he got it, nigga. I told your ass, boy, you in dirt, nigga. It's the muzzle. No, it's good. Just keep driving. I think it's the dirt.
But I'm gonna get back to y'all when I'm riding this bike. No cap. The gang is in the building. Y'all know what's going on, man. So
By the
look,
way, for anybody who talking shit, I ain't ever rode no shit like this.
Guess how much they bikes is out here just to rent one? Like $45 a month. You can't beat that for transportation? Come on now. But yeah, that's what we doing right now. I'm just updating the vlog. We getting the bike. After that, we turn. Let's go. Y'all just see me almost bust my ass like speed though, right? Can't go outside.
Yes, sir. Right now we getting the bike doing the paperwork.
Bro, he talked about let's eat McDonald's. No, he had McDonald's chicken wings. Crazy. No, I don't care. That shit right there, I need some of that good smell. No cap. Need some of that. Yes, sir. I'm not gonna lie, we just got some fire cologne, bitch. I ain't gonna cap. Let's hit it, Oh, and by the way, the donuts do taste 1,000 times better than America's. Hey, man, I just bought me a phone. You definitely got to get you a phone as soon as you touch down so you can stay in contact with the people. No cap. No cap. Yes, sir. We can pop that to a whole gas bar, man. Whole gas bar, what they got right here. No cap. I'm tapping with y'all boys when we leave. I'm probably finna destroy him in UFC though. You hear me? That's really what's about to happen. While he over here talking, I'm really finna destroy him. No doubt.
Shut your ugly ass up, boy. What you niggas talking about? What you niggas talking about? What you always yapping? Niggas think it's professional yappers. You gotta take after big CEO.
Nigga, don't they pay me to yap? I'm gonna yap my ass off. Fuck you talk about? Yap, yap, yappity, yap, yap, yap. Fuck you talking about? Nigga, got what you want.
How much is it? It's your double?
Donuts.
That's what you get in Thailand, man. No cap. We definitely just put up to the market, gang. We about to get some fruit for dinner tonight and shit. I'm fucking around and do a mukbang on this hoe too. You feel me? You already know what's going on. I'm gonna show you the fruit though. Let me tap in. I gotta get locked in. Yes, sir. That's where they keep the food at. Live fish, live shrimp. They caught it themselves. They caught that shit themselves, twin. You feel me? You see a nice piece of fish, cooked fish. I'm looking for the fruit though. How you doing? The fruit though, that's what I'm looking for. Yes, sir. Even the fruit look different though. That's one thing I can say is the food, all of that shit tastes 2 times different than, you feel me, anything that you ever experienced in America. And look at the prices of the food though. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all. It's like $1.35. In America, they charge you an arm and leg for this. This 20 baht, brother.
Yeah, you already know. It's cheap.
Exactly.
That's less than $1.
Exactly. You eating a whole meal less than $1, bro. At the stores out here, you buy your fish literally free, alive. This is alive. This is what you want. Still alive. No dead processed food. We definitely just got us some chicken though. We can do a mukbang though. We finna see what the season comes. I'm gonna tap in with our boys when we get back to the spot. Gang decided to pop back out to another market. They said this the latest one though. They said this the latest one. We about to see. Okay. We like they getting some more.
Yeah, man, you already know we gotta get some of that good cheese.
The beach over there, you feel me?
Hey, yeah, the beach right there. Y'all already know from the thug on there. Let's go. Let me show y'all what it's looking like though, twin.
How
They got everything. Like you can just come and grab that. Like.
I look good.
I'm gonna tap in once we get to the beach, gang, no cap.
This is the best food spot.
I just caught one of these smoothies, they only $1, bro. 30 baht, you get 2 smoothies. In America, you already know they charge you $15 for this, bro. Realistically, $6, $7 for this.
No banana.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie to you, bro. This hoe is high-key fire, bro. What you do?
I ain't gonna lie, I got some smack chicken and shit. That's all I know.
What you think about that?
Amazing, you feel me? This is the best in Thailand. You always drive 20 minutes just to come get one. And it's $1, you feel me?
Only $1, bro. No cap. Hey, I ain't gonna cap. One thing they do have that's not in America, bro, is they got farmers markets on every corner, every block. Literally. The people feed the people. No cap. Oh, yes, sir. We took a trip to the beach, but the beach hard though, bro. I ain't gonna lie, the beach super hard though. No cap. You can stay up there for $400, $500 a month. It's crazy, bro. No cap. I have never seen that creature in my life on bro. That's a horseshoe crab.
Shit.
Hey,
You
twin,
ain't
we
get no-
finna.
Oh,
I
right.
didn't even get that shit though. Hey, but look, you said what?
No footage in the little.
I did
the
get
little
some of
night
that
market.
shit
What
though.
you- A word.
Yeah, I ain't get that last shit though. Nah. I ain't gonna lie to you, twin. I might end this blog right here, call it a day, and finish editing and post this. Y'all stay tapped in. Y'all already know we vlogging every day. This the first 24 hours in
I
Thailand.
don't think you can end it.
We can go ball for ball. We can go ball for ball. We can go. No, I'm serious. So ET come from serious. Flew out on your brain, no, you delirious.